Okay, so now it's time for you to create your own variations to the song Hot Cross Buns. I'm going to walk you through how to get to Chrome Music Lab and use what is created for you already to get you started. So the first thing you're going to do is, starting on this page, you're going to click on the arrow on the side here, on the right hand side, and just click on that. It's going to take you to this. You're going to need to click here to open the web page. So there you go. You've just opened up the web page, and here there is already some stuff there for you. So now that means that you've got something to start with. So listen to the song. Okay, so now you've got that first part of the song. So now it's time for you to start creating. All right, so now you're going to go to the next open measure, which is this one right here. And you're going to use yellow, orange, pink. Okay, but now you have to make it sound different somehow, but also make it sound like hot cross buns. So you might do something like this. All right, so now you're going to go back and you're going to listen to the whole song that you've created. Here is the original part. Now let's see what happens. Okay, so if you like the way that variation sounds, then you're just going to go ahead and you're going to use that and then go on to your next variation. All right, now once you've completed both of your variations, here's your next 3 measures for you to create the next one. Now, you can decide how you want things to sound. You could change the timbre by changing this marimba sound maybe to a piano or to a flute or a trumpet or something else. So it makes a different timbre. You could change the tempo by moving the little slider here, whichever direction you like, either slower or faster. Okay, once you're completely done, you've filled up all the way to the end, you've done both of your variations, then you're going to go down here and you're going to click on this Save button. When you click Save, it's going to say your song is saved at this link. You're going to click the words Copy Link. Notice what happens. It highlights this link. All right, so now you've copied that link. So now what you want to do is you're going to go back to the page, the Nearpod, and make sure you're on this page where the open-ended question is. And it says at the top, paste the link for your Hot Cross Buns variation from Chrome Music Lab on this page. So you're going to click on the box. You can use Command V to create that link, or to put that link there, or you can go up to the top of the page and you can click on Edit, an edit menu, and then click Paste, and it'll do the same thing. So now you've got 2 different ways that you could actually access this. So now once you finish that, make sure that you've clicked submit, and then you're going to go on, finish out, read and listen to the last page of our assignment, and now it's going to come to me, and I'm going to be able to go into your Nearpod and click on your link, and then I'll be able to listen to and grade your song. So I hope that you have a lot of fun creating your own version of Hot Cross Buns, and I am really excited to hear what you've created. So go ahead and have a lot of fun.